The Director General, National Agency for the Prohibition of Trafficking in Persons, Mrs. Dame Okah-Donli, says 1,052 indigenes of Oyo State have been rescued from human traffickers by the agency. Okah-Donli disclosed this during an advocacy visit to the Lubadan of Ibadan land, Oba Saliu Adetunji, in his palace in Ibadan.
From 2004 to July 2020, a total of 1,052 indigenes of Oyo State have been rescued by NAPTIP, consisting of 782 females and 270 males, mostly from Oyo Town, Shaki, Kishi, Isheyin, and Ibadan. And these victims are subjected to child labor, domestic servitude, and sexual exploitation.
The Director General said that NAPTIP currently embarked on a project that would improve the skills and knowledge of state and non-state institutions to reduce and prevent human trafficking in Nigeria.
We are here to ask you for possible collaboration with your palace. The partnership towards a nationwide sensitization, massive sensitization, so that the whole of Ibadan and its environs would know what human trafficking is. They would know what is going on, what is happening to our boys and our girls. We're also thinking of the mobilization of the rulers, all the entire traditional institutions in the state through your help to make sure that we begin to change this mindset. We need to mobilize the Oyo State indigenes to be vigilant concerning trafficking of young girls to the Middle East for domestic work. It must stop.
In his remark, the Lubadan of Ibadan land, Oba Saliu Adetunji, thanked NAPTIP for its interest in protecting the dignity of human beings. Adetunji, who responded through his spokesman, Mr. Adeola Oloko, said people had taken the lives of children and others for granted.
If you cannot take care of these kids, why bring them to the world? Why send little children to the Middle East? All because of one domestic work or the other. And then when you are creating these things, as human beings, I feel for these children because they are young, they are vulnerable. I'm even ashamed that Oyo State is part of it. Because until recently, I never thought that our figure was as high as 1,052, which you just mentioned. Kabesi asked me to inform you that it is a collective effort of everybody to fight this country standstill and to ensure that none of our children is ferried across the country without their permission.